Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hampton Inn Freeport. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Situated in the heart of downtown Freeport, this restored historic building is within walking distance to a variety of points of interest and provides comfortable accommodations and modern amenities. Enjoy a movie in a beautifully restored 1922 movie theater, canoe down Yellow Creek or take a ride on an antique steam train, all located moments from the Hampton Inn Freeport. There are also a number of scenic parks, golf courses and charming shops located nearby. Modern amenities, including a fitness center, wireless internet access and a free hot breakfast are standard at the Freeport Hampton Inn. The hotel also features an on-site swimming pool. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.